Hey everyone, Greg and Jess with Church of Journey. We are out here at Wolf Creek ski area, and we're testing out a new product, the Talkie wireless communication system. They did send these to us at no charge to test out, so we were giving it a whirl. Jess hasn't been on the snow in
a long time.
Very long time.
Yeah.
So we thought it'd be a good opportunity to be able to talk to each other while we're going down the mountain. They are IP7X water rating. There are 9 channels.
Yep.
The battery charges in about 2.5 hours and should last up to 15 hours.
Yep.
Probably a little less in the cold like this.
Yeah.
They work up to 14 degrees, down to 14 degrees.
Yeah.
And there's just 3 simple buttons on the top, a couple different clicks to make it function.
Super easy to set up too. I just turned them on and they automatically find the other talkies in the network, and the mesh network covers up to 0.4 miles, so we could technically take different runs and still talk to each other.
Or she could go hang out and take a break run, and I'll go up and she could say, get down to the car.
Right.
But yeah, so we have them off right, well they're on, but they're muted right now. So a single click of the middle button
mic on
turns my mic on, and then I talk.
I can hear it.
And she can hear me out of that one. And then you got volume up, volume down,
mic off.
change channels.
Yep.
So pretty simple, intuitive, real easy to use. It would work great for, if you're out hiking or pretty much anywhere where you want to be able to talk to someone within 0.4 miles.
Yeah.
And not have to do the whole walkie-talkie clicking thing.
Hands-free and places with no cell phone signal too, right? So.
Yeah.
And they have interchangeable covers, so you can customize them.
I got orange. She's on the camo. It
Okay,
has
yeah.
white and also a black one.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're interested in trying them out, check them out. We'll have some links below. Thanks for watching.
Mic on.
Ready to go.
Going left again? Go. Okay, that's fine. That's just that little steep spot.
I forgot.
It's fine.
Okay.
You got
I don't
it.
feel comfortable carving on this yet.
Just take your time. Just try and link a couple turns in the bottom.
Yeah.